It's Akarit's birthday! So we went to BBQ Chicken and BGC. There are a lot of selections and prices fair. Our favorites are the mozzarella sticks, the bibimbap, chicken, and also the pasta. Generally, everything is good. It's just that the tteokbokki is a lot spicier than we expected. And here's what we came for. The showstopper. Price is pretty fair and the ambience is good, but the air conditioning is quite hot and might be broken at times. Customer service is good. The staffs are very accommodating. We enjoyed celebrating Ate's birthday. Thank you!